In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube channel widget to a Shopify page using embed code. Before we jump in, make sure you've already copied the embed code for your YouTube channel widget. This is the small snippet of HTML your widget provider gives you. When pasted into your site, it displays your channel feed automatically. Keep it on your clipboard so it's ready to go. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This opens the area where you manage what customers see on your site. Next, click Pages. You'll see a list of your existing pages. Open the page where you want the widget to appear, so you're on the Page Details screen. If the page already has text, decide where you want the widget to sit in relation to your content. In the Page Editor toolbar, click the Show HTML icon, the one that looks like angle brackets. This switches the editor from the normal visual view into code view. You'll now see the underlying HTML for that page. Place your cursor exactly where you want the widget to appear, then paste the embed code you copied earlier. Don't worry if the code looks long. That's normal. Just make sure you paste the entire block without altering it. When you're done, click Save. Saving applies the changes to your page, but keeps you in the editor so you can continue working if needed. To confirm everything looks right, click View Page. This opens the live version in a new tab, letting you see the widget in context. Give the page a moment to load. Widgets sometimes take a second or two to render. If you don't see the widget, double-check that you pasted the code in HTML view rather than the visual editor, and verify that nothing was accidentally deleted. Also, ensure the page is visible and published. Some themes may cache content, so a quick hard refresh of the page can help. That's it. You've successfully embedded your YouTube channel widget into a Shopify page using the provided code. With this in place, visitors can discover your latest videos without leaving your site. And you can update your channel as usual. Your page will reflect those changes automatically.